Students, now we'll go for question number 13. I'll read the question. First, understand the question, everyone. Then we'll go for the solution. Prove that opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtended supplementary angles at the center of the circle. Read again. Prove that opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtend supplementary angles at the center of a circle. Supplementary means what we have to prove? Sum of opposite angles 180 degrees. That we have to prove. Clear, children? First, from the information, first draw the figure. Circle is circumscribing. It's a quadrilateral. It's a quadrilateral. Okay. Then here suppose I am assuming ABCD is what is here? Quadrilateral. Okay. A, B, C, D. And this circle is touching at 4 points P, Q and R, S. And the center of the circle is what is O. Clear, children? Now join it all. Yes. Okay. Both are intersecting at O. Now after that, can assume it join OS. Join these two and here also. Here after this one, how many angles formed you observe here? Okay, what is here? Select here, join this one also, join here. Clear, children? Now I am assuming this is angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, these are the angles. Total 8 angles are formed. Now finally what we have to prove is angle AOD. Sum of opposites are supplementary. We have to prove that one. To prove angle AOD plus angle BOC. Angle BOC is equal to 180 degrees. That is the first one. Second one, angle AOB. Angle AOB plus angle DOC or COD, anyone. DOC is equal to 180 degrees. Clear, children? Just one you prove. Obviously, similarly we can write it. Clear? First we have to prove at least one. Yes. Observing this, what is given here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This complete angle we know. Sum of all 3 is equal to what is? Sum of all 8 is equal to what is? It's a 360 degrees. It is a complete angle. Yes, I am writing that. We know that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 plus angle 8 is equal to 360 degrees. It is a complete angle. It is a like a circle. This all is the sum of all 8 is equal to 360 degrees. Clear, children? Here one thing observe here. Just this part observe. Okay, this one. Here this is a bisecting. What is OA is bisecting angle POS. OA is bisecting angle POS. I am writing here. OA bisects angle POS or SOP. POS. That means what is here? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Clear? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Even OB bisects 3 and 4. Here write 3 is equal to 4. Next, OC bisects angle ROQ. That is 5 is equal to 6. Angle 5 is equal to angle 6. Next, OD bisects SOR. That means 7 is equal to 8. angle 7 is equal to angle 8. Clear children? Now instead of 2 you can substitute 1, or instead of 1 you can substitute 2 also, because these angles are equal, because OA is bisecting POS and OB is bisecting POQ and OC is bisecting QOR and OD is bisecting ROS or SOR. Clear children? Because of that reason all angles are equal. 1 is equal to 2, 3 is equal to 4, 5 is equal to 6 and 7 is equal to 8. Clear children? Yeah. Now we'll go for that one. Here angle 1 is no change. I am writing same. Angle 1 plus 2 is there here. In the place of 2 just apply 1 again. Angle 1 plus, then again here 3 means again apply 4. In the place of 3 I am writing 4 and 4 is same only. Plus here what is next one? 5. 5 and 6. 6 is equal to 5, apply in this. 5 is same. Then 6 means angle 5, because both are equal. Next angle 7 and 8. 7 is equal to, we know, 8, apply here. 8 and 1 8 is already we have. Is equal to what is here? 360 degrees. We know already it's a 360. Now how many angle ones are there? 2. Add that 2 times of angle 1 plus 2 times of angle 4 plus 2 times of angle 5 plus 2 times of angle 8 is equal to 360 degrees. Clear children? 2, 2, 2, 2. Everywhere 2. Common 2 take out. What is remaining? Angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 8 is equal to 360 degrees. Clear children? Now 2 transpose right side, cosine right side, then what is remaining? Angle 1 plus 8, I'll write together now. Angle 1 plus 8 plus angle 4 plus angle 5, no change, is equal to 360 by 2. Cancel this, it is 180 degrees. Okay, then angle 1 plus 8, observe here, angle 1 plus 8, what is there here? 1 plus 8 is equal to what is? It's a AOD. 1 plus 8, this 2 is equal to AOD. Right here, angle AOD plus 4 plus 5, the 4 and 5 here, 4 and 5, what is that? BOC. Angle BOC is equal to, we know it is 180 degrees. Clear children? AOD plus BOC, angle AOD plus angle BOC is equal to 180. What is the reason AOD is? Just I'll write in bracket. Angle 1 plus angle 8 is equal to angle AOD. 1 plus 8 is equal to AOD. Then 4 plus 5 is equal to what is? BOC. 4 plus 5 is equal to angle BOC. Clear children? Yeah. AOD this part and BOC this part. These both are opposites. Yes. Then sum of these two is what? These two is what is? 180 degrees. Observe here. AOD plus BOC is equal to what is answer? It is a 180 degrees. Clear children? That sum of opposite angles is equal to supplementary. Supplementary means what is? 180 degrees. Then finally what is there again? Other one also, that is AOB and plus BOC. We have to prove 180. But no need to, because already you proved. Yes. Therefore that is similarly angle AOB plus angle COD or DOC is equal to 180 degrees. Clear children? Sum of opposite angles is equal to 180. AOD plus BOC 180 and then similarly AOB plus DOC is equal to 180. Clear?